Francesca. Today we're going to be exploring the entertainment rooms inside Casa Grande, the five largest rooms in the building. And we'll also be seeing some of the gardens as we make our way up to the house. Probably you've heard the guidelines on the bus by Alex Trebek. We are an accredited art museum. We're also a state park. And very few or no barriers between you and the collection. Do you remember what you're allowed to touch up here?
Nothing.
Well, the railing.
Cement and wrought iron.
Please use those for safety. Once again, inside the house, we'll walk on a gray carpet. Feel free to take pictures inside. Just please turn off your flash. We only allow clear water up here on the hilltop. No other beverages, food, gun, or smoke. Any questions before we get started? Any other tours you're taking today?
Yeah, we're taking the upstairs.
Upstairs?
We're
okay.
doing the upstairs.
At 3:35.
Remind me a little bit later on,
3:35.
and I can point to where you're gonna.
We only have a
like
5
5
minute.
minutes
Yeah,
to
to
get
get to
there.
it after the end of this.
Well,
So
we're close by,
definitely,
so
yes,
no
we
worries.
will. We will get there.
When you're ready to leave the hilltop, don't come back here. Although you can explore up here on the top, but when you're looking for the best, you're gonna exit through the indoor pool that's below the tennis courts behind Casa Grande. I will make our way up here to the Casa del Sol, the terrace.
So is this like white marble has been restored? Is that why it's all white?
No, the marble is very pristine up here. It is clean, but because we don't have pollution up here on the hilltop, really.
Wow.
Just over here.
For the most fabulous view in the entire world. Absolutely a gorgeous day.
Yeah, it couldn't be any prettier today.
I'm sure we're coming over here.
Yeah, she said so.
Yeah, so we'll just go over here and have a look. Take some photos.
Hopefully not drop my phone.
Oh my gosh, it's so gorgeous. You do not get a better view than that. That is pretty amazing.
Your mom's camera's in the background?